The last thing we want to do is animate these gauges over here. We will want to reposition the anchor point and add a rotation keyframe. 50 frames later, we'll rotate this one minus 90 degrees and this one 90 degrees. We'll ease them and add a ping pong loop. Now let's check our animation. It looks like this at the beginning of our scene, and it looks like this at the end of our scene. Now you notice that our running bars over here don't match our animation, but luckily, as we've set it up as a time remap, we can now take this keyframe and move it over to the center of our animation. This now means the animation finishes here and starts looping from that point onwards. So now the beginning of our scene and the end of our scene match. That means it will now loop endlessly. As I explained earlier, time remap works in such a fashion that by dragging the keyframes where you've added the time remap to, it stretches and squashes the timing of the animation within the comp. It doesn't change the comp inside, it doesn't change the keyframes inside, it just kind of speeds up the animation from the outside. So that's what we've done here. Now we have a fully looping scene. In the next part, I'll talk to you about how to render out your scene and explain a little bit about codecs and containers.